Hey team, welcome to a quick little video tutorial about how to navigate this platform here from the ISN called SwapCard for this weekend's teach-in. So you should have received you should be able to log in through the links in the email that I have just sent you or through an email that came from the ISN directly to you. Use your LaSalle account, your LaSalle email address to be able to log in. So I think when you log in, you'll be brought to this page. A lot of this is really self-explanatory. I just want to highlight a few things for you. First, you'll want to go over and perhaps work on setting up your profile. And when you click there, it'll take you to this page, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You can edit this, your identification. I think it would be critical to identify some of the skills that you would want to add to your list, and you can do that by sort of adding them. Some of them might be there already. Feel free to put in your bio, obviously if you put in your social media handle on Twitter, it'll build that in for you. So anyway, I would go in and sort of set that, because part of what is interesting is once you do set your profile, and you come back to the home page here, the ISN wants to connect you with some possible people, and I've got to remember how you do that. You go to attendees, right? And you can see the list of people who they've already picked for me in light of my shared passions or interests, and you can start to click them on their names and send them messages, let's say about connecting or wanting to reach out, set up a meeting, exchange an email. So anyway, that's something that you might want to work on doing. I think the other really important thing is to start to build your schedule. So we are the IFTJ, Ignatian Family Teach-In for Justice weekend. That is our part of the teach-in this year. And so you can start to put together your program, scrolling through, you can sort of see everything that's going on. A lot of this will be happening concurrently, so you want to sift through some of that. And so I believe if we sift through, actually, let's come back to the home page. I think that's the easiest way. If you go to the schedule on the home page, you can filter first by, I would say first by track, which is the IFTJ. And then you can also put in the theme or the topic that you'd like and do a little search that way. And it will show you some sessions that come up during the teach-in. And if it looks like it's something that's interesting to you, and that totally looks interesting to me, I'm going to add it, and then all of a sudden it appears on my schedule. I'm probably doing all sorts of stuff that's pretty obvious to all of you. You're probably going to be able to teach us some things. You can start to create some chats. There's some things that are already existing if you want to add to them. Yeah, you can see speaker bios, all sorts of stuff. So anyway, this is what I would recommend as a way of just starting to jump in and kind of get a handle on yeah, what's what this weekend. Okay, thanks.